Hello, my name is Jermaine Miller, completing a screencast on the final application assignment. It will be based on technology, what technology to use to improve student academic performance in mathematics. There will be 4 administrators and 1 school principal completing assessment using the Lighthouse database. The purpose of the follow-up survey. The follow-up survey will collect the data and the results from the students that are participating in this particular research. The guidance question: what role does technology play in improving ninth grade students' academics in mathematics? Lighthouse Database. Lighthouse Database is a database program at my school that monitors students' report cards and also interims and progress reports. The results after the 4 administrators and 1 school principal completed their observation and assessment from the Lighthouse database, the results indicated that 9 ninth grade students was not performing well in their mathematics course. After the assessment from Lighthouse with the 4 administrators and 1 school principal, the 15 students was identified not performing well in their mathematics course. A lot of the students was receiving 50 to 59% on their test scores, desk work, and also homework assignments. After the 15 students was identified, there were 5 more students that was identified that was receiving below average and danger of failing on their report cards and also their interims and progress reports. Here go a quote from another individual that was completing a research on pretty much the same topic that I'm completing my research on. A blend of all educational technology helped to enrich student understanding and learning. The 3 main tools of technology that I have found in research to help improve students' academic performance: 1 will be the graphic calculator, 2 will be the tablet computer with apps, 3 will be the interactive projectors. I would like to start with graphic calculators. The one method that I have found to be very useful to improve student academic performance with the use of graphic calculators, for one, I will have to start with the teacher. Have them attend a professional development on how to use the graphic calculator. After the teachers have mastered this particular technology, which is the graphic calculator, and then teaching will really have to start with teaching the students how to use the graphic calculator, just so they can have a full understanding of how to use the graphic calculators so it can better improve their academic performance. One method that I have found to be pretty much useful is having students group. I love the grouping strategy and technique. I will have each student group up, have maybe 4 sets of 4 students in groups, just so they can get the feel and an understanding of how to use the technology from other peers, while the teacher is also teaching them how to use the graphic calculator as well. After 12 minutes, every 12 minutes, I will have each student rotate from groups to groups so they can understand and learn from different peers how to use the graphic calculators. Next will be tablet computer with apps. Tablet computer will help improve student academic performance. For once again, I will definitely start with the teacher to have them participate in a training after school just for 1 hour. 1 hour of training. Along with the 1 hour of training, I will provide them with other resources that can help improve their lesson, which is this program that I have found to be pretty much helpful in improving the quality of the lesson plan that the teachers will offer the students. It is called the ICT program, Informational Communication Technology Program. And this provides teachers with resources and other helpful activities to increase their teaching skills and curriculum inside the classroom. The other program that I have found for students to use the tablet, since their only math class will be for one hour per day, Monday through Friday. I don't really think that's enough just to really ensure them to improve their academic performance in mathematics. I would like to add on Saturday Academy. Saturday Academy consists of Saturday school only from 9 to 12, and each student will have there will be 2 teachers and a set of 12 students, but broken down into 2 groups. So there will be 6 students with 1 teacher in one group. Once again, it will be 6 students with 1 teacher in another group, just so we can ensure that they will have a full understanding of how to use the tablet computer and also get additional help from the teacher since they are broken down into smaller groups. Next, there will be the interactive projectors. Here go a picture of how the interactive projector look, along with a interactive whiteboard. The interactive projectors, one method that I have created to improve students' academic performance. Once again, I would definitely start with the teacher so they can have a full understanding of the use of the interactive projectors. I will have them go to a professional development with a guest speaker. Ideally, I would like the guest speaker to be from the interactive projector company itself, so I can have a high quality of training for the teachers. There will be a 3-day training with the representative from the company of the interactive projectors, and 2-day training with this personal time. This is what teacher is going to other teacher rooms to learn different strategies, how they will use different techniques with the interactive projector, so they can learn from each other. That's how I feel our school will grow, and also for students to improve their academic performance of technology with the use of these interactive projectors. Next, there will be the method. The purpose of the follow-up study survey is to receive feedback from all the students that participated in the research. This to identify if the use of technology did increase students' academic performance in their math course. Next, there will be the results summary. After the first 5 months, the follow-up survey results indicated that 10 students did increase their math grades by 2 letter grades from a F to a C. 7 students was identified to increase their math grades by 1 letter grade, went from a F to a D, and 3 students was identified to increase their math grades by 3 letter grades, which was a F to a B. Next, there will be the last 5 months of the research, which are the final months. This was the final results of the survey. 11 students went from a B to an A, 4 students went from a D to a B, and 3 students went from a C to an A. And 2 other students had indicated that there was no improvement in their final grade from the use of the use of the 3 technology programs to improve their mathematics scores. Next, here go a quote from a different scholarly that had completed a research also on the use of technology, improving the use of technology through mathematics. Actually, here go another quote from another scholarly that I have researched that I found that was pretty much important for everybody to know. This quote basically states that without the teacher knowledge of mathematics, the students is not going to proceed and grow and learn from their use of the technology at all. The teacher doesn't know how to use it, the student is not going to improve at all. Here go a bonus slide. This is a picture of my son using, it's actually my laptop, but he thinks it's his. So I did start him off with the use of technology to improve his all-around curriculum grades, and I think that it worked very well. This is my dedication in improving students, and also my son motivation to improve students' academic performance in all around mathematics to English to so forth and so forth. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.